Hello there, this is Wendy with Love and Stampin', and today's video is going to be all about my team and what I'm doing for them and just kind of a behind the scenes of me getting ready for Creative Rally. Let's do this. All right, so right now I'm getting all of my gifts together for my people who sold $1,000 in 1 month. Some of the people sell it, some of the people buy it themselves, some of the people have a combo of buying it themselves or selling it. Doesn't really matter how they achieved it, they achieved it. So if they sell $1,000 in a month, they get a little goodie from me. Over here in this bin, I've got all of my achievement notices. So I also recognize my top 5 sellers, and you can see here, this is how I go through and look at who has achieved what. I pull reports, I make a little graphic, these go up in my Facebook group so they're getting acknowledgement, and then I go through here and I pull the names. So I've got my 5 top achievers there. I'm gonna go over here, and these are where I keep all of my achievement things. So basically, if they achieve one of these things, they get something from this category. If it's one of these things, they get it from this category. So my top 5 are going to get a Wink Estella this month. 2, 3, 4, 5. And the most common question I get asked about stuff like this is, how do you afford this? Well, I have my ways, people, but basically, I allot a certain amount of money to spend on my team every single month. And when there are specials or deals, I use those. Sometimes I add a few gifts to a host code if I am placing a big order for class supplies or something like that. So now I just got to pull 5 of these out. 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm able to do these extra goodies for my team members. So I do this every month. And then tonight we're going to have Creative Rally. And Creative Rally is basically where we hang out on our Facebook group. We have team members that do fun stamping demonstrations. And then I do all these awards and recognition announcements. And now I need to see how many qualified recruits I need. And just 2 this month. And so I do all of my recognition and awards, and I do giveaways and all the fun things. So anyway, my qualified recruits are going to get these little opal rounds, which are super fun. I actually have a bunch of these opal rounds left over because I had a little mistake that I made and I ordered too many of them. So I had extra, so I just put those in the pile. So I'm gonna finish doing all of my award stuff, pulling it, stacking it, and then I'll show you the next part of the process. Okay, really quick, this is one of my favorite things to do. My favorite parts of prepping is putting together my drawings. So I do a drawing for all the new people on my team, and then I do a drawing for the people who brought them onto the team. So this is one of my favorite things to do because, look, I have noobs, so I know which one I'm drawing from. And then I just put these aside, but then the best part is getting to pick out the award, or the gift, I should say, for the drawing. So I come over here and I look through my stash, and I have stashes other places as well. So for my recruiter drawing, my people that bring in somebody new. I like to really do something big. So I think I'm going to put together this month an adhesive bundle. So we'll do this. Let's see, we've got mini dimensionals. And this is, I gotta just sit down. Let's just sit down together. Okay, so we'll do mini dimensionals, glue, ooh, a fine tip glue pen. We've got some tear and tape in here. So I stocked up on a bunch of adhesives. And then let's see if we have a normal dimensional. Yes. So we've got minis, regulars, tear and tape, multi-glue, and fine tip glue. So this will all go in a bag and I'll put a little bow on it, and this will be a drawing gift that I do. And I'm going to also do the same thing for a newbie. So a newbie probably could use some dimensionals, because I live with like these. I could not exist without these in my craft room. We'll do some opal rounds. What do we got back here? Ooh, fun. We have some pastels. And let's throw in a Wink Stella for fun, because nobody knows how much fun a Wink Stella is until they own one, right? So this will be for my newbie drawing, and this will be for my new team member, or the people that brought them in drawing. Okay, so let's take all this junk. Junk. My word. Okay. Let's take all this goodies over here and lay it out. And then I'll just set them here so I know they're set aside for the drawing. And then I'll package them later. But right now I just wanted to pull them and get them ready. Now the next thing I need to do is I have this fun thing on my team called the Big Brown Box drawing. Here it is. And I have to give a shout out to my friend Kylie Bertucci, because she's the one that told me about this. So every month, my team members can take a picture of the products that they receive from Stampin UP, post it in our Facebook group, and they get entered to win a goodie. And it's just something simple like an embellishment or dimensionals or something like that. But it's fun, and basically all you have to do is place an order and post a picture and you're entered to win. So it's like our very easiest, most simple challenge thing that we do. So I like to usually pick 3 or 4 winners, sometimes 5. So I'm just gonna separate like 3. Let's do 4. We'll do 4 winners for this. And I gotta, there it is, find where I put it. So I come over here and then I go into our team Facebook group and I do a search for people who entered into it for the month of March, because I do everything a month before. So all of the acknowledgements and recognitions that are happening are for the month of March. And then in May, we'll do them for the month of April. So that's how that works. Okay, so I'm gonna decide who the winners are for these. And for them, I think everybody who wins that will receive, let's do the opal. Let's do the pastels. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need 4 pastels, and I'll put those with these and write their names on them, and that part will be done too. All right, so I was working on Creative Rally Prep, but then these bad boys showed up. So I thought it would be fun to just open them up and see what's inside. And I know you're thinking like, how do you order stuff and not know what's inside? But I think these are for my club and my berry class that I'm sold out of my berry class, but you could still join my club up until April. Yep. So these are club gifts. Okay. So if you want to join my club, this is what's included this month. You get water painters. You get an envelope with every card. Let's see, what else is in here? Oh, those are just some... Okay, so I think these are mostly envelopes. Let's see what's in this box. You get, for club, you get water painters, you get the card kits, and you get twine. Yay! So this is mostly my club order. Yep. This is all cardstock that I needed to replenish. Lots of Bumblebee cardstock because... Oh, I know what I ordered. Sorry. Okay. So you also get a half a pack of this cardstock with your club order. So it'll get cut in half and you get a full half pack. So that's part of club this month as well. And then there's twine also. So that's paper. Let's see what's in this box. Oh, this box doesn't weigh as much. So I don't know. It's only 5 pounds. Let's see what's in here. Oh, ribbon. So this is for my berry class and it is sold out. So this is all ribbon twine combo stuff for my berry class. I think probably the whole box is that. And I bet this is more cardstock and twine. Not baker's twine. It's linen thread. Oh, yay. So then this is also gifts and goodies for people. And here's my twine right here. My linen trim. It's not twine, Wendy. It's a linen trim. So my club members are getting a pack of this. Aqua painters or water painters, I should say. And a half of a pack of this cardstock. Plus other goodies that I just don't show everything. But yeah. Whew, fun. Good stuff. All right, let's see what I got up next.